Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Daedran. Last Sunday, Kingston experienced its first ever boat festival, a momentous event which closed out the 2018 Kingston and St. Andrew Homecoming Week. It featured parades, demonstrations and boat races by sail and powerboats from some of Jamaica's leading marine organizations. The event also provided some activities on land, such as a kiddies village, a classic car show, a crazy bike show, lots of food, and a craft village. The event was not short of entertainment, as the festival ended with a rousing concert which featured performances by popular entertainers such as Cha-Ching Ching Lali, Roy Rayan, Rondell Positive, and the 2018 Jamaica Festival song winner Nazzleman.
I say greetings, I sing from Hui to all. Ragamuffin, Hui. Come and tell them lies, and I cast them spell. We are progress, while them are rebel. So the secret of the most high, this me dwell, because of who me represent.
Well, I think this is just fantastic, though. You have St. Elizabeth Homecoming. Theirs is loud. St. Anne Homecoming. But I think it's full time. After all, to have Kingston and St. Andrew Homecoming, it makes sense. This is a city for over 145 years. So I think what a vision that they have, though, Costa Stedman and the whole crew, to make sure that this is happening. I am very, very honored to be a part of it.
Celebration on the waterfront, which was organized by the Kingston and St. Andrew Development and Homecoming Foundation, was done in an effort to foster the continued development of the region by leveraging the economic and cultural resources found within Kingston and St. Andrew and the diaspora. Reggae artist Queen Ifrica is gearing up for her 2019 worldwide spring tour that will see her making scheduled stops in the United States, in Canada, Europe and some parts of the Caribbean. Queen Ifrica has graced the stage at many of the world's largest reggae festivals and has the unique ability to address society's issues. 2018 was a busy year for the self-proclaimed lioness on the rise, as she performed at a number of major shows and festivals in places like London, Bermuda, Barbados, California and New York. To round out the year, she is booked to perform at sea on the infamous Welcome to Jam Rock cruise in December. The first official trailer of Disney's live-action remake of The Lion King was recently released and has accumulated a record-breaking 224.6 million views globally within the first 24 hours of its release, making it Disney's most-watched trailer in a single day. Replicating the original movie's trailer shot for shot, the preview is now the second overall most-watched teaser to ever have been released, following the Avengers Infinity War back in 2017. The live-action remake, which is set to premiere on the big screen in 2019, will feature voice acting from a star-studded cast, including the role of Mufasa, being played by James Earl Jones, rapper and actor Donald Glover as Simba, Beyoncé Snell, and a host of other notable features from the likes of John Oliver and Seth Rogen as supporting cast. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.